Kerala Public School Kadma was formed in the year 1996, and it is a school which caters to the middle class and the other strata of the society. So our chairman's view is quality education at an affordable cost. For us, the focus is not only in academics, but we also lay a lot of emphasis on the co-curricular activities that we are conducting for the students, and we ensure that the students' overall development is taken care during the school hours. During online classes also, we are conducting classes for the students as well as hobbies and co-curricular activities for the students, so that we can cater to the overall development of the student. As per the instructions of the Jharkhand government and the DEO office, we have prepared the entire procedures for the school reopening. The SOP is ready. The entire school building is sanitized. The labs, library, all the strategic places where the students will be using has been sanitized thoroughly. In the month of October, we have also conducted the compartmental examinations for ISC 2020, where we had done the complete sanitization process, and it was a great success. There were no problems after that. Now we have prepared the entire building. The students are ready. The COVID team of the school is also ready. The COVID team comprises of the teachers and the safe club of the school, and right from the entry point they are measuring the temperature. The registration, entry, exit is being monitored, and then the teachers are maintaining social distancing, and the classes will be conducted in the two auditoriums on the ground floor and the first floor. During COVID times, because of the pandemic, we are having online classes for the entire school, right from nursery to standard 12. But standard 10 and 12 is answering board examination. So it is very important that they are trained in conducting the practicals. Also, the revision classes will be conducted for standard 10 and 12. So we are maintaining all these COVID safety guidelines. We are making absolutely all the procedures are being maintained. Declaration form has been sent to the parents also, where the parents are also resolving to maintain the COVID safety guidelines. The students have been briefed about the COVID safety guidelines, and we are also sending a video to the students how to maintain themselves during the school hours, maintaining all the protocols of the COVID safety. For the reopening of the schools, we had a meeting with all the principals of CBSE and ICSE schools, and the principals had taken a decision that it is very essential for the students of standard 10 and 12 to come to school for the revision classes as well as the practical classes which will be conducted in school, because they are appearing for the board examination 2021. We had requested the district authorities, and after that we have also got the permission from the Jharkhand government and the DEO office to run the classes for standard 10 and 12. There are two things. We have already sent a declaration form to the parents, where the parents are signing and resolving that they will also maintain the COVID safety guidelines and ensure that the students maintain their wards maintain the COVID safety precautions. In school, we have formed a COVID team which is taking care of the entire COVID safety protocols. The school building has been sanitized and the classrooms have been sanitized, so parents need not worry about the safety. We have done our best, and we will definitely try our best to provide all safety to the students when they come for the classes in our school.
A very happy new year. So the school is all ready to take you back. वापस स्कूल आने का मौका मिला है. बहुत दिन से इंतज़ार हो रहा था इस चीज़ का. बच्चे बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हैं कि फाइनली ग्रीन सिग्नल मिल गया है स्कूल आने के लिए. लेकिन न्यू ईयर है, इतने दिन बाद मिल रहे हैं, तो वो फीलिंग आएगी बच्चों के अंदर में कि मिलें, हाथ मिलाएं और बातें करें, हाई फाई करें. ये सब अभी नहीं करना है. तो अभी ये जो नया नॉर्मल है, मास्क, सैनिटाइज़र, ग्लव्स, ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी है. इनके बिना अब ज़िंदगी नहीं चल सकती है. तो इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, क्योंकि हमें अब इस टाइम में बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि हम बहुत ज़िम्मेदारी से बिहेव करें और इन चीज़ों का पालन करें. सारे जो नियम हैं, और ये हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए ही हैं. इनको एक बोझ नहीं समझना है, एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं समझना है. इसको फॉलो करने से हमको खुद को फ़ायदा है, ताकि हम आ पाएंगे स्कूल. दिस कैन कंटिन्यू, सो इवन पेरेंट्स से भी यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप बच्चों से बात करें। हम यहाँ पर डेफिनेटली पूरी तैयारी में हैं, सैनिटाइज कर लिया है, सब कुछ तैयार है, लेकिन पेरेंट्स से भी मेरी विनती है कि बच्चों को समझाएं कि उन्हें सारी चीज़ों का, नियमों का पालन करना है जो उनके लिए, उनके ही हित में है। और टिफ़िन नहीं लेकर आना है तो उन्हें अच्छे से खिलाकर भेजिए ताकि वो घर जाने तक उनको भूख ना लगे। तो ये खाना ज़रूरी है, और पानी की बोतल ज़रूर लेकर आएँ, बिकॉज़ ये शेयर करना अलाउड नहीं है। तो इन चीज़ों का ज़रूर खास ख्याल रखें पेरेंट्स भी और स्टूडेंट्स भी। मैं कविता रविंद्रनाथ, स्कूल की डिसिप्लिन इंचार्ज हूँ, एथिकल कोऑर्डिनेटर भी, और फ़िलहाल कोविड टीम से भी कनेक्टेड हूँ। तो हमारी टीम पूरी तरीके से तैयार है आपको वापस लेने के लिए। हमारी कोऑर्डिनेटर्स वीना भास्कर मैम, जतिंदर टीचर, सो ये सब हमारे साथ हैं, और हमारे साथ रहिए, मिलजुल कर हमें इस सिचुएशन से निकलना है बाहर सक्सेसफुली। थैंक यू।
पूरी टीम तैयार है, स्कूल तैयार है बच्चों को वापस बुलाने के लिए, नया जोश, नई उमंग, पर पूरी सेफ्टी के साथ।
Children, we are all waiting for you. So please come back and see that you are following all the rules and regulations.
Thank you.